Hi there, my name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of BBQ Spit Rotisseries. Today I'm going to answer one of the most common questions we get asked by our customers. How do I know when my meat is ready? Our steaks have been cooking for about 40 minutes and I flip them halfway through. Now we're set up for 2-zone cooking, so they've been cooking on the colder side. We're going to check the internal temperature and then move them over for a nice hot sear. Perfect, they're sitting at about 45 degrees Celsius. We're going to take them off the cool zone, lower the grill and give them that nice sear. So our steaks have been searing, we're going to check for that final internal temperature. Now we're looking for an internal temperature of 130 Fahrenheit or about 54 Celsius. And that's perfect. If you'd like to stay connected and keep on upping your barbecue game, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment below, give us a big thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.